So next up, guys, got a really nice combine here. It's International 1460. It's coming, there's gonna be a corn head and a bean head that's gonna sell with. Everything's gonna sell separately. But I'm here with Bill. He's a consignor. He's gonna tell you all about it a little bit.
Yes, this has been a real good combine for me. I didn't really have too much trouble with it. Belts have been replaced on it, and feeder housing chain, elevator chains, separator chain, or the separator in it has been changed in it, the sieves in it, I'm sorry. And other than that, it's been a real good combine.
Yep, and why don't you tell them a little about the corn head and the bean head too, Bill? We'll just kind of put that all in this video.
Okay, the chains have been changed in it here not just too long ago, and I've had a few acres go through it, but they're all right yet, and they go around good, and I had real good luck with that. And the bean head, it's got a pretty new sickle in it. There's some things I put on it so it would save beans and stuff, that they wouldn't fly out the front on it, and that's been working real good for us too. So other than that, it's a pretty good bean head too.
Yeah, so no, it's a real good setup, guys. Real good outfit. Combine, corn head, and the bean head will all sell separately. You have tons of pictures in the listing. We'll also get you a video here of the combine running. But just wanted Bill to talk to you a little bit about it. It's been really well maintained. They're nice units. So good luck, guys, with auction time and Old 20 auctions.